What is innovation? Is it merely business jargon, or something known only to scientists? You may not realize it, but you are at the heart of innovation. You inspire it. Innovation isn't just in laboratories. It's in the food you eat, the river you stroll by, and the very ground beneath your feet. From dawn till dusk, the promise of innovation is at your fingertips. Let us show you how innovation impacts every second of your life. Join us on a journey that will not only demonstrate the power of innovation, but empower you to be a part of its cycle. Welcome to TRIA, NAIT Applied Research Open House. Experience innovation firsthand. Don't just witness innovation. Be a part of it. Register now.